Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios. Welcome! Today we're going to do a really fun craft. This is for Christmas. I love Christmas cards and I love getting Christmas cards. I love making Christmas cards and sending them. And so we wanted to do something that the whole family could do. So we thought, you know what, let's create a display where we can show off our Christmas cards, but allow it to be something where the kids get to be part of it. So we went out and purchased some really great twine. You could probably use string. And then we went ahead and at Walmart, they had a ton of these clothes clips. So what we're going to do is obviously start by painting them. The color scheme we picked was Christmas, so red, green, white. And then we're going to come back after they dry and we're going to add a little bit of Disney. Because if you know me, I like to infuse a little bit of Disney in pretty much everything I do. And so I thought it'd be really fun as a family craft where everyone gets to be part of it. So you can see we're painting them nice and solid, and they're not going to be perfect, right? And that's, I think, part of the fun of it. You know, many years from now, you'll look back with your kids and go, oh, do you remember, like, she couldn't even paint that well. But it's okay, I love her, you know, and it's so fun. So let's go ahead and get these all painted, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. Now here's the thing, we're Disney people, right? So we're always going to add a little Mickey Mouse, but you could create something. Now watch, we're going to do just the end of this paintbrush, and I just put 3 cute little circles, right? Like, that's so simple and easy to do. Now again, this one, a very easy level. You know, if you're a better painter or have somebody who can paint better, you know, definitely think about painting them like your favorite Christmas characters, like the Grinch or Frosty. Or you could paint them with, you know, if you love Universal and you love Harry Potter, make them some Harry Potter. How fun would that be? Theme it to something that means something to you, you know, or the theme you have for your Christmas. You know, another thing that can be really fun is if you love glitter. My sister is obsessed with it. You know, why not glitter these up? Now, for me, I just know that just means it's going to be all over my floor. So we opted for no glitter. But that would be really beautiful, like all silver, and then have the beautiful Christmas cards below them. So we're going to go ahead and decorate these all up. Again, super easy craft. So you can see here, all I did was change it. So we have red, white and red, and we've got red ones with white Mickeys. And we're going to do white on the green ones too. And it's just so much fun to kind of play around with these ideas of super simplistic crafting that you can do with the kids. I mean, that's one of the things that I really love about this. Now, obviously in the video, just to show you, I'm the one doing all this, but the kids could have easily done this too, although, you know, that's when your mommy OCD kind of kicks in and you go, too much. But you know what? That's the fun of it. Let them do that stuff. Like, that's so fun. And when we were done with these, we actually went ahead and put some, like, shellac on them, spray shellac, just so that it would hold the paint so it wouldn't chip off. Now, in looking at them all together, I love it. Like, they're just so beautiful. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this twine. I thought this would be fun, kind of rustic feeling. And what we're going to do is up on the wall, we're going to just put nails. High enough, obviously, so the kids can't get hurt. And then what we're going to do is kind of put it in a zigzag pattern. And I thought, let's do it that way because then the cards can hang. Now, you could do it in different shapes. You could do this using, you've seen at the store, those circular patterns that you use the templates for your wreaths. You could probably clip it on there. I really love this, though. I'm really excited by the way this turned out. And hanging Christmas cards on there, it worked perfect. Like, look at how perfect they hang. I can choose how close to put them, separate them out. Now, we did realize that we made entirely too many, but I told Aaron, my husband, I told him, you know what, it works. We've got extra now, and what we did was we actually started a baggie that has all of the extra ones in it. So if we lose one, or one breaks, which is bound to happen, we'll always have extra replacements. So when we stored this, we actually took the twine, put it back on the actual ball, and then we put all of the clips back in the baggie together. So they're all together in like a gallon-sized bag. And so this will be really easy to go back to when, you know, it's time for Christmas again. And I loved it. It was a great way to eat up space, like on an empty wall, add a little bit of Christmas. It could have been really fun also, instead of twine, maybe to use Christmas lights. Like, that could have been really fun because then it would have lit them up over there a little bit. And a lot of the Christmas cards we got were very glittery. So that could have been really fun too. So again, play around, experiment, decide what's going to match with your theme. I hope this inspired you to start thinking Christmas. I can't believe we're already saying that. But go ahead, come up with something fun before those cards start to arrive. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner of Jessica Lynn Original Studios. Be sure to visit our websites and don't forget to subscribe. We have got a lot of Christmas content coming soon. Take care, guys.